We're going to be talking about this item in front of you here. It is the Marvel Legends X-Men Marvel's Rogue. I'm just pretty much going to be just sharing some details about Rogue, showing you the front, the box description of Rogue. I'm not going to be opening this since it's taped, and I'm planning to give it as a gift. And then also just wanted to give you guys some feedback of what I think, where I purchased it from, and how much it cost me. So this is an item that's really, really hard to find, these Marvel Legends. So before I get started, if you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner, that'd be awesome. If I've added value with this video, hit the like button and feel free to leave me comments. So let's get started. So it is the front of it. This is the side of it. This is the back of it. And this is their side. So with this Rogue Marvel Legends, it's a Build-A-Figure, it's a BAF. So the Build-A-Figure is Colossus. Basically, you got to get the Magneto. You got to get this one right here, which is the Marvel's Rogue, Cyclops, Sabretooth, Marvel's Shadowcat, Iceman, and Marvel's Legend to complete the BAF character of Cyclops. This one has the arm of Cyclops, as you can see right here. So a little bit about this character, Rogue. Rogue is part of a subspecies of humans called mutants. And that's basically what the X-Men are, who are born with superhuman abilities. Rogue has the involuntary ability to absorb and sometimes also remove the memories, physical strength, and superpowers of anyone she touches. Therefore, Rogue considers her powers to be a curse. For most of her life, she limited her physical contact with others, including her on and off interests and eventual husband, Gambit. So Gambit and Rogue are quite close. After many years, though, Rogue did get full control of her mutant abilities. So remember, this is a fake character, okay? So this is Rogue, is from the X-Men team. I thought this character is really, really nicely made. The sculpt, the way they just made this character is really nice. I purchased this from Target, and I got it actually for $8. It was on clearance. So that's a really, really good buy. This is the front of the box, the side again. Just want to show you guys again the back, and there's the other side. And there's the top of it, Age of Apocalypse, and there's the bottom. So it was a really good price, because I'll share with you is that if you compare it, like if you were to buy, I've seen some of these Marvel Legends, not this one, at like your typical discount retailers, big box like Ross, and they sell for $9.99. So I mean, at $8 is even much cheaper at Target than it is getting it there for a clearance item. So that's why I picked it up, and I just want to share with all of you guys. This is going to be a quick video because I'm not going to be opening, because I need to actually give this as a gift. But I just want to share with you guys a bit about Rogue, where I got it from, how much it costs. It should still be available at the time of making of this video when I upload it. So, just watch out for it at Target. This year. It just came out, like fourth quarter of last year, I think. So it should still be available out there if you guys are very interested. This is a very nice figure. It looks exactly like the one the costume she has in comic books. You know how sometimes characters, they change the costume, but this one's pretty awesome. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Once again, hit the subscriber button. Hit the like if I've added value, and feel free to leave comments. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Let me know if you have this, how much you pay, because I know that this one at Target retails for $25. So hopefully guys will leave me some comments. And once again, I make new videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I look forward to sharing with all of you. Thank you very much for watching.